Hi, my name is Kevin. Today we're going to learn about static electricity. You will need a plate of tissue paper with pieces of tissue paper and a balloon. So first, rub the balloon on your head. Then put it near the pieces of paper. See, it attracts. It will attract. This happens because of static electricity. When you rub the balloon on your hair, the balloon gains a negative charge so it can lift light objects that are either neutral or positive charge. This case also happens when you do it on running water. The water will bend. If you rub two balloons and put them together on a rub side, they'll repel each other. That's because electrons such as positive or negative repel each other, while unlike electrons like positive and negative attract. Thanks for watching my video. Bye now. See you soon, and also subscribe my video.